everyone, it's Amy from Nail Polish Baby 90 and welcome to today's video. It's a late day filming session today. I've just chucked on all the blush in the world after a long day at work and just hope for the best really. But I'm here with a swatch and review of an Essie collection, which was the Handmade with Love collection, which was, although you wouldn't think it from looking at it, one of the summer releases for 2022. I've had such bad hay fever all day, so my nose, I'm aware, is very red. Please ignore that as the video continues. So this collection is made up of these 6 polishes plus some Ulta exclusives. So I'm just showing you the 6 that you can get everywhere, but there are also some Ulta exclusives that are available if you have an Ulta in your vicinity, and I'll put pictures up of the 3 Ulta colours at the end. There's a lime, a purple, and maybe another pink. But yeah, first initial impressions was, how is this a summer collection? Because it's a mixture of neutrals, and then I guess we've got a little bit of a pop of colour here, but it's certainly not your traditional colour palette for summer. I have thoughts. I will try and save them to the end and be a good reviewer. So let's swatch through this 6-piece Handmade with Love collection by Essie. So the bright pink, to start us off, is called Pencil Me In. All the names for this collection are super cute. So Pencil Me In is a beautiful fuchsia, cerise, cherry, bright pink. The formula on all of these, spoiler, really good. This is a beautiful like 1 coat pink. You don't really need to wear 2 unless you're doing it for a swatch like video that I was, but I would say you can just get away with 1 coat of this. It's nice, it's bright, it dries super shiny, perfect formula, starting us off really strong. And that one is Pencil Me In by Essie. 1 or 2 coats, but just 1 is fine. The other bright one is called To DIY For, and this is your burnt orange. I really love the tone of this because it's not a bright summery orange. It's not a like autumn. It's right in the between there. It's probably your classic Crayola orange colour, and I just thought it was really nice. I love the pop of colour again in amongst the neutrals that we're going to come on to, and same as with the first one, Pencil Me In, you could wear this in 1 coat very easily if you needed just to throw something on and go. A lot of the time we talk about how many coats it takes to be opaque for like the perfect swatch photo, rather than just how many coats it takes just to wear on everyday life. So 1 or 2 coats there of To DIY For. On to the neutrals. So we have 2 browns. One is more of your yellowy, orangey poop brown, and the other one is more of the cool toned taupe. So the lighter and the more yellow one is called Paintbrush It Off. This is probably the least wearable out of the collection. Not everybody is going to reach for this and go, oh yes, that's exactly the shade that I want to wear, especially in the summer. But I didn't mind it at all. It was fine. Will I be grabbing for this one? Probably the least likely that I'm going to rewear this one out of the whole collection. It was my least favourite, but I wasn't mad at it. 2 solid coats, nice and easy. That's Paintbrush It Off. And the more cool toned brown is called Crochet Away. One of my surprise likes out of the collection. I really want to put this one straight back on. I love the kind of taupey, cool greyish, probably is the technical term for this colour. And again, super nice formula, as the trend of this collection is flowing through really nicely. So yeah, I liked it. 2 coats of Crochet Away. So I'm saving the 2 light ones to the end here because of the surprise element of this. The formulas on both of these were splendid. These polishes, if we look at these colours and we think about Essie from way back when I was starting nail polish like 10 years ago, these would have been 3 coat streaky messes, and it really shows how much Essie has come along, because I'm about to tell you that both of these were 2 coaters, and not even like, oh, maybe 2 coats. No, solid 2 coaters, beautiful. So I am wearing 1. I always wear 1 polish in each of these review videos, and this one is called So Gifted. And it's just a really beautiful peach colour. For me, it was a little bit of brightness on my nails. It wasn't super like mannequin hands. There was definitely a nice like fruity, orangey, peachy tone to it. So I felt like it was a good way to do like neutral nails, but still with a bit of a pop. I think it's a really nice colour for the summer as well. One of the more summery colours out of the collection. Just all round good times. 2 nice and easy coats of So Gifted. And the last one is called Cut It Out, which is a nice white-based grey polish. I'm not the hugest fan of greys, but if I'm going to wear grey, it's normally this type of tone to it. Again, as we've already spoiled, really nice, beautiful 2-coat polish. So if you're in the market for a grey, or you don't have anything like this, I don't feel like I have tons from Essie in the grey range. I don't think like I do anyway. But this one is a really, really nice two-coat of grey. Clean, simple. Yeah, they're all nice, creamy, beautiful. Cut it out, 2 coats. So my general thoughts at the end here is, yes, it is a very strange collection of polishes to release as part of the summer collections, but Essie has also released about 7 summer collections. So you've had your summer collection, which is more of the traditional colours, and this is maybe just something a little bit unconventional. So I'm going to throw up the pictures and information now quickly here of the other ones that are the Ulta exclusives that you may have got. When I googled this seemed to be the core 6 that was everywhere, and then those other ones were kind of regional to whether you could get them. So I do hope that that's the correct information. It was hard to exactly pinpoint it online, but I think I'm saying the right information. I hope. I think this actually is a beautiful transitional collection into the autumn, and that's the time that I wore it really, as we're coming towards the end of summer, and I've definitely had less bright sunny days over here in the UK. We had a nice dip down after the heat wave, and I loved them, and I think they're really great in this collection. I'm going to say it. It's not summer, it's transitional into summer, into autumn. I think it worked really well. I'm surprised that I'm even telling you this because I was not excited to really swatch this through at all. I was kind of like, meh, that's fine. And as I liked them, the formulas were great, the colours were great. It's not a super repetitive collection because it has that mixture of neutrals and ugly colours and then the bright colours. I liked it. I'm surprised even to be saying that myself, but I liked it. I would love to know what your thoughts are, whether you picked any up, whether you've got any of the exclusives. Let me know in the comments down below. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hopefully when I next see you, the hay fever situation will be much, much better.